The sun is up. Let us begin the day's labor.
We need more timber for the scaffolding.
And water for the mixing pits.
The ground is fertile. We begin anew here.
Come, let us build a city and a tower whose top is in the heavens.
Yes, let us make a name for ourselves, lest we be scattered.
We stand united, a single people with one language. Let us build a tower that reaches...
Stretch the ropes to the marker.
Heave together!
For the glory of Babel, lift.
Let us build a tower that reaches the heavens, so that we may make a name for ourselves.
It is good. We shall begin at once.
Faster! Bring more bricks! We build to the heavens!
Toil now, stack them high. For the city and the tower reach the sky.
Build it high, reach the sky. Build for us, touch the sky. Build it high, reach the sky.
Finest clay pots, strong and true.
Get your spices here, fresh from the east.
Catch the hoop!
Keep moving the bricks up. We must reach the next level before sundown.
We are working as fast as we can, brother.
Our glory touches the stars. Our name lives forever.
To the heavens we rise. Drink deeply for our triumph.
Look to the heavens. He has come down to see the city. We are doomed.
Bring the stones higher, quickly!
What are you talking about? I cannot understand this language.
We must stop the work. They are speaking nonsense.
Bring the clay to the east side. He is asking for water, not clay.
What is this language? I do not understand you.
Run! Save yourselves! The gods are angry! We must flee!
Keep moving. The river is just ahead. We must reach the mountains before nightfall. I need more mortar on this level. Why did you bring bricks?
I don't know what you are saying. We are leaving this place!
As the shadows of division fade, humanity walks together towards the